The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is one of the most talked about cameras to be released in 2026. Following on from the successful Pocket 4, the 4P or Pro promises to bring all the latest technology plus add two lenses, a 1x 20mm lens and the new 3x 60mm lens. I have a number of videos about the features and testing them, so subscribe to catch all those juicy details. But for now, let's take a look at the vlog combo and see what's inside in under 3 minutes. No fluff. A new carry case for this version replaces the protective hard case from the version 3 and also the gimbal clamp from the Pocket 4. And here it is. Everything as per usual fits into one larger case. The Mic Mini 2 and its magnet and clip. The extension handle to allow a 1/4-inch thread, the magnetic light, the mic wind guard, a mini tripod, the brand new frame tap. More on that later. Various wrist straps, USB cable and proprietary charging cables. And of course, here it is, the star of the show. And that's pretty much it. So let's take a closer look. The Pocket 4P, 2 lenses and all the features you'd expect, plus more. The mini tripod, the wind guard, the 1/4-inch extension grip, the magnetic and adjustable light, the magnet and clip for the Mic Mini 2, the Mic Mini 2, magnetic color clip for the mic. And the surprising star of the show, the frame tap, which opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. And the new carrying case designed to be used as your everyday carry for the Pocket 4P. A proprietary charger for the Mic Mini 2, which personally I would have preferred to have been USB-C, but more about that in my main review, coming soon. So hit that subscribe button and you'll get all the details. A full menu walkthrough, testing old features, new features, and comparing this to the global phenomenon that was the Pocket 3. Right out of the box though, this looks solid and will have a similar form factor to other iterations in this camera series.